Most AI copywriting tools can generate articles, but often they are generic and not very well researched. So I created a workflow which does SERP analysis, which is search engine results page. So the first page of a search engine. So let's say I Google coffee pods. It will take the top performing results there, scrape their websites, take in all the information, look at the intent, carry out a SERP analysis, what we call. Often this is used in SEO and content agencies. And then it generates the article. So let's see how it works. So I've done this for Grind, Black Sheep Coffee, another accounting firm. These are just kind of prototypes for now. And I've just added another one for Grind, just for the sake of this demo. I've added the topic, target audience, tone of voice, primary keyword, secondary keyword, topic clusters. Often SEO content agencies have their own process of getting these, but you can also use Google Keyword Tool to get the competition through various criteria, which we can go in another video, irrelevant for now. And we also have a call to action. So once you supply these 4 to 6 inputs to my workflow, let's just run it now. It can take some time at times. We execute the workflow. It will check which one is pending here. As we saw, it just turned to researching. It's now carrying out the analysis. We can see it has gotten the top ranked pages, gotten their data, selected the top 3 pages. So we also filter out any social links, any Facebook, YouTube, any of those types. And then we carry out a SERP analysis through ChatGPT. As we can see, we say you're a content research analyst, analyzes supplied Google UK ranking pages. So this is also more, currently I've targeted more towards the UK, but we can change it to anywhere, so US, Europe, specific countries in Europe, we can do any of these. Now it's gone into the article writing execution. As we can see, it's running here. Over here, we read all the information it's done the SERP analysis on. So this is a SERP analysis it produced. So ChatGPT produced this in the first workflow. And in the second one, we grab that information. We create an SEO outline. So this workflow works very much how a human would. So a human would, if you want to generate an article or that would perform well, it would first research what keywords to use. It would then look at the competition, what the search results are saying, and then it would create the article outline based on those results, and then it would draft the article. That is exactly what this workflow does here. And we can see the SERP is complete as well as the article itself. So we always recommend a human to be in the loop for them to review this article. So we can see it's created the article basics, how grind size affects brewing time and coffee strength, etc., etc. So this is the article it's written. Ideally, a human should review this before posting it on their website. And the key thing is we also carry out quality checks to make sure the article has everything that it needs. It has article title, body, meta description it needs, the target keyword count. We get the target keyword count by looking at the range of the well-performing articles. So you can see 1,000 and 1,500 between these articles, between these range, the word counts, these were best performing. And then ChatGPT writes the article, and we also check, that the body is in lowercase. You can basically even just copy paste it as it is, but ideally a human should review it and make any changes if they would like. So yeah, so this is a workflow. This is especially useful for SEO and any content agencies. So if you would like this to be implemented at your firm or for your clients, let me know. Happy to help you and set it up with that. I'll leave my links in the description for you to get in touch. Thanks, and please subscribe. I'll also be putting up more videos based around these workflows. Thanks for watching. Bye.